Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a really cute Hermes unboxing, and we're gonna try it on and get it all set up, which is gonna be really fun. But before we get into that, I wanted to share with you guys my latest Chanel bag. It's not really a bag and it's not really an unboxing, but just in case, because I know everyone on here doesn't necessarily follow me on Instagram, which you should follow me on Instagram. My handle is Maddie Shops. I'll link it down below. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, I unboxed this on Instagram the other day, and this is my latest Chanel bag that just came in. It is from 23B, so fall winter, pre-fall part 2, act 2. I'm not not entirely sure. There's like 12 collections. It gets a little confused, but without further ado, here is my little reveal. It is called the Polly Pocket. It's so cute. So this is caviar leather with gold hardware, gold CC in the front. It's just a little handheld. It does not fit a phone. It fits like a card holder, a lip gloss, AirPods, and like maybe your keys. So there's this little front pocket here, which does fit a credit card, but maybe like 2 because it's folded like this. It doesn't really hold a ton. In here is the information cards. This is technically not a handbag. It's an SLG, right? Because it's so tiny. This retailed for $3,475. It's from 23B. It's called Purse Without Chain, and the color is dark beige. I love this 23 dark beige. There are flats and other things in this color, and it's so cute. And so the way you get into it is you just unsnap the handle here. You can also snap it and have like a slightly larger way to hold it here, or like larger handhold. It unzips, and then in here there's a little card flap here, and then just like an open pocket. So this is about, I would say, 6 inches wide, so almost exactly the length of a big phone, but it doesn't fit because of like the curved shape. It's just so cute. I had to grab this. I think it's like such a fun, warm neutral, so it looks really good with pink. I wear a lot of pink. And then I also recently picked up, and I just wanted to reveal because it was kind of like onesie twosie, these Celine brown sunglasses. So they have the little Celine gold logo, so Celine and Chanel. I don't mind brand mixing. I'm fine being that person. This is how they look on. And this is a little bag. So I just wanted to open with that fun little reveal. I can do another video on the Polly Pocket bag. I love that it's called the Polly Pocket bag. I'm a 90s kid, and so I was like, must have. But I can do another video on this little cutie, what fits, my first impressions after I've used it a little bit more. I used it for dinner last night, and it was absolutely perfect. Like, I don't believe that, well, I have my phone right here. I don't believe that every single bag needs to fit a phone, but so you can see it would entirely not go in. But I'm totally comfortable just having my phone separate in my pocket, having my husband carry it, whatever. And so there's that cutie. Okay, now without further ado, now that we've done Celine, Chanel, everything off menu, let's get into the Hermes unboxing. The other day I went to Hermes, I went to see my essay, and I was so sad because my essay is moving. That's okay. We support growth here. And so starting over my Hermes journey, but I made one last purchase. Unbox it here. And this actually, I was like not so sure about the color, but then when I got home, I realized that I had like the perfect twilly to match this. There it is. Okay, any guesses as to what this is? All right. The box down there. Open the pouch. Ooh, it's rattling. To reveal this really pretty guitar strap. So this is, it has yellow, it has mauve Sylvester, it has, I think it's like a light green color. I actually thought it was, oh my gosh, it's escaping me. Whatever, the green color that's out this season. And it has silver hardware with a little black here. But I realized I had this twilly, which I put on my Kelly, and the colors are like perfect. It has the rouge color, it has the yellow color, it has the pink color, and so it goes so well. And so let me just peel off the little stickers here. This is hard with my nails. Okay, come on. Oh my gosh. They had bag straps actually in a few colors that had just come in. They had black and white, they had blue and red, which was cool if you have like a different color bag. This strap also made me think maybe I should have a mini Evelyn in my future because I could reuse this fun strap with it. Oh my gosh, here we go with the nails. Just because these stickers on the side, you can see, they like make it hard to clip on. So I like to take those off. Oh Lord, it's hard to peel off. There we go. Okay, let's put her on the bag. I love that the hardware matches. I'm totally fine mixing metals, but I'm not so comfortable mixing metals on the bag. I kind of believe like on the bag, within the bag, it should all be the same hardware because then it looks more like it actually goes. So cute. Okay, I realize this is probably not everyone else's style, but I think like today I have a navy blue top, I have blue jeans on. It's so good. This is a lot longer than the regular Kelly strap, so you could wear her crossbody. Actually, let me pull out the strap and do a comparison in length. I think it's in here. All the goodies. Okay, so here's the normal strap that the Kelly comes with. So this is, yeah, a lot longer. Oh my gosh. So you can see how much shorter it is. Or if we, what would be the best way to do this? You guys get the idea. Okay, hold on. We'll do it at the top. So you can see how much longer the bag is here because these would have to be at least, I would say 5 inches longer on each side maybe. So this totally goes crossbody, which I did not realize. It didn't look that long in the store, but it is that long now. Hooray! Anyway, that was just my fun little pickup as we kind of said goodbye. And then of course the neutral Chanel purchases, and the Celine Sunny. So I just wanted to share that with you. Let me down below, what was your favorite item? I think my favorite item is this strap. It's just like so different and fresh. And I think a good transitional to fall piece because of this like dark rouge color. And actually the yellow is kind of giving fall to me too, like a fall yellow. Is that crazy? Okay. Let me know if you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, and I will be back with my next video soon. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, bye guys.